let's see what is under the hood. And let's pull out some of those pre-looped linear switches and take a look at the gasket structure. Here we can see the plate nicely and you can already make out the gasket mount. And just below that you can also see the sound foam, which makes the whole thing feel even smoother and gives the sound a bit more body. But then let's swap some keycaps, I would say, and as clean and glossy as those see-through caps are, you can already see I've got fingerprints on them, and that's literally 30 minutes after unboxing, so yeah. Then a quick tip for anyone newer to the hobby: even if keycaps have the exact same footprint, that doesn't mean that they sit perfectly everywhere, because these are cherry profile caps, and cherry profile is, let's say, stabbed, getting lower from top to bottom. So you will notice the escape key sits higher than the rest. But that doesn't stop you to do it anyway. So let's make a little croissant out of our escape key before we connect it to our computer. The keyboard, not the escape key. And if you ask yourself why via cable, simple, because of wire.